Hey guys, Kat Kerr, thanks for joining me today. Today we're taking an ordinary piece of lumber and turning it into something special. I mean, why not, right? Now, my hubby always has these pieces of lumber scraps laying around, and so I always kind of tend to pick them up and want to do something with them. And today I decided, you know what, I'm doing it, I don't care. So I went ahead and just sanded the edges and then took one of my foam stamps from joggles.com, and then I just used some yummy orange and yellow to create the background. And then I used white water-based Sharpie just to highlight some of the design. And to finish off the background, I just added some black splatters. Next, I took a drill and using a 1/16 bit, I just added 2 holes to the top of the lumber and then took a piece of 19 gauge black and steel wire and just made a loop-de-loop with the wire. Just wanted to add some sort of design to the top of it. And in order to strengthen the loops, I just hammered them a little bit with my hammer and my metal block. Next, I took a Viva Las Vegas stamp and some StazOn pigment ink and then cut it out and added some color with some Marabu Art Crayons. I went a little crazy with the lips and wasn't planning on adding color to the entire thing, but I'm kind of glad that I did because it really helps the face to pop on the piece. Next up, I cut some strips using double tack dry adhesive sheets. I peeled off one side of the strip and applied it to the wood block, and then I ended up peeling the other side and added some of the Deco foil. These come in a whole bunch of different colors and I'm currently totally obsessed with them. And my block is finished. It has a little bit of bling, but it looks really rustic at the same time, and I'm super happy with the way that it came out. So next time you have some lumber lying around, take out those foam stamps and your rubber stamps and have some fun. Thanks for watching, guys.